Over the years, I have published my family tree on numerous genealogy websites, some commercial, some free. I sometimes like to take a quick look at one of those trees for a specific person for one reason or another, but often have trouble quickly getting to the website and navigating to the desired person. To facilitate this activity, I have added a feature to rootsTrust that allows you to link a person in your database to any number of online family trees. rootsTrust is open on my desktop and positioned to Johan Bengtsson, one of my immigrant ancestors. If I click on the newly added Link toolbar button, a form opens listing all links for Johan to online family tree websites. Since there are presently no links for him, I will add a few. I have my tree at Ancestry.com displayed on my second monitor, which you cannot see, so I'll slide it over temporarily. Here is Johan Bengtsson. Let me highlight the URL of this page. Watch the URL as I click on Johan's name. Notice that it doesn't change. But if I click on Profile, the URL changes and contains Johan's unique identifier, which I need if I want to recall this page in the future. Now I drag the URL of this page and drop it on the link form, and a button magically appears. Now let's test it. First, I get rid of the Ancestry.com session in my browser. Next, I click the Ancestry button on the form that I just created. And Johan's profile page appears in my browser. Let's do another one. Here is my tree on FamilySearch.org. Just like Ancestry, when I click on Johan's name, let me highlight the URL again for you. When I click on Johan's name, the URL does not change. But when I click on the blue name link in the pop-up box, the URL changes and his person details page is displayed. So I drag the URL of this page and drop it on the form, which creates another button. As in the previous example, if I close all of these guys here. If I close the web page and click the button I just created, Family Search, Johan's person details page at Family Search is displayed in my browser. rootsTrust recognized both websites and created buttons showing the website's name and fav icon. The fav icon is the little icon displayed by the website, by the browser for on the tab for that page. Each website has its own fav icon. So rootsTrust also recognizes other family tree genealogy websites, such as Genie, Find My Past, MyHeritage, RootsWeb, WikiTree, One Great Family, and Genes Reunited. What happens when you try to link to a family tree website that rootsTrust does not recognize? No problem. Let's do one. Since I don't know any other family tree websites, I will use CNN to illustrate how it's done. So here's CNN in my browser. So I drag the URL and drop it on the form. rootsTrust creates a generic button that I can edit. So with the mouse cursor positioned over the newly created button, I right-click the mouse, or if you have a one-button mouse, the control click will work, and I select the edit command, which displays the editing form. First, I'll change the name to all caps, and I can refresh the test button. Now I want to replace the default star icon with CNN's favicon. To do that, I select the last entry in this combo box, download and use the favicon from the website. This opens a new browser tab containing only the favicon of the website whose URL I just dropped on the form, namely CNN. So there it is. So I will drag the favicon and drop it on the test button, which replaces the star icon. I click OK, and there we have a button for CNN. If I close that CNN and this CNN page and then click this button, it takes us to CNN, which of course this doesn't have my family tree, but it illustrates how to create a button for a family tree website that rootsTrust does not recognize. That's pretty much it. Remember, you can link any number of websites to a person, and each person can have their own set of links. Think of them as bookmarks. Thanks for watching.